Ceridian Dayforce Payroll tutorial. I'm going to tell you how to use Ceridian Dayforce Payroll. Ceridian Dayforce is a full suite HCM platform that handles everything from HR to payroll in one system. And learning to process payroll in it is mostly about knowing where to look. Once you log in with your company credentials, you'll land on the dashboard. From there, go to the Payroll tab. This is where the actual pay run work happens. You start by selecting the pay group and loading a pay period. Dayforce pulls in hours worked for timesheets automatically if your company uses its time module. Then, you review employee data, checking for any red flags like missing hours, garnishments, or bonus overrides. Adjustments can be made directly in the pay grid. You can also add or remove one-time earnings or deductions here. After everything looks good, you run a preview. This lets you catch any calculation errors before committing. Once validated, you lock it in with a Commit Pay Run button. After that, you can generate pay stubs and reports or send a file for direct deposits. Everything happens in real time, which means once you hit save, it updates instantly across the platform. The whole flow is designed to reduce batch errors and simplify compliance. If you're new to Dayforce, it can feel like a lot, but once you've done a cycle or two, it's incredibly efficient.